Data noise is enveloping our planet. Information pours in from everywhere and takes on a life of its own. It can quickly overwhelm decision makers, hindering their ability to think critically and take action. At HumanGeo, we use our special technical abilities to combat information overload and empower decision makers. In their experience supporting special operations, our founders discovered a simple formula for mission success: embed creative technologists directly with end users. HumanGeo pairs exceptional work with amazing people. By working side by side with customers to understand their environment and their needs, our team quickly builds tools that save the day. We are an alliance of multi-talented super nerds with diverse backgrounds, encompassing expertise in technology, data science, and analytics. Together we face down the toughest problems plaguing our government and commercial clients. HumanGeo fights to bring order to your world, developing tools to defend against the velocity, volume, and variety of data. Tools that transform information into insight and enable decisive action. To join us in the fight against disastrous data, visit us online